Hi guys, guess where we are today? We are in Switzerland. You can see everywhere mountains, nice fresh air. You can smell it, you can't smell it, but I can, and I'll show you what we're gonna do today here. This is the new place. Actually, we got a customer like 2 years ago who bought from us a centrifuge and manual duster, and in 2 years they developed their business, and today here we are in a new place, and machine arrived this morning. We came here with Michael for installation, and today we're gonna install the machines, and tomorrow we're gonna make one-day training for our customers, for their workers, to demonstrate how to use the machines, how to maintain, how to work with them, and how to use it in a proper way. So let's come, I'll show you what is inside. Here we are. So this is the centrifuge our customer got from us like 2 years ago. It's a centrifuge and we actually recommended to get one more because they developed their business and they need like 2 centrifuges right now. And automatic duster, rug washing machine, automatic rug washing machine, Tornado ASZ 3000, and we have also the machine for the final treatment. It's staying in a separate place, in a separate room over here. Okay. This is going to be a chamber for the finishing the dry carpets, absorbing filters. So this is the great machine as well. I believe that tomorrow we're going to make one more video to demonstrate to you the work of this machine. Actually, we have it on our channel on YouTube, but maybe tomorrow we're going to show you in real life. Okay, how to use it. Okay, and what's next? Okay, there will be one more room, drying room, for the carpets hanging over here for a couple of hours after you take it from the centrifuge. We have our rack for already cleaned and dry carpets, and we have over here, this is going to be the room with the full of 4 dry racks. We need to assemble them. There are some parts over here. And these dry racks are here. So just today, this morning they arrived, and we're gonna assemble everything, put the machines in the right place, and tomorrow we're gonna proceed to training. Detergents as well. So we are so excited about it. This is one of our customers in Switzerland. It's not the first one, but we are very happy that this business is developing. The customer is satisfied with the machine. That's why he chose actually to work with us and cooperate. Great, perfect. So let's proceed to work, and we'll show you the final result. And tomorrow we're gonna make some video about training day. Great, bye bye.